by Sydney. If you're new here, I'm Sydney and I'm all about health and wellness. Today I am here to free you from the chains of the brown rice and the broccoli and the dry chicken breast as your go-to weeknight meal. We are throwing it in the trash. We are getting rid of that. And I'm going to show you, if you've been watching the channel by now, you should know that healthy food does not have to be bland, boring, and tasteless. It also doesn't have to be complicated, intimidating, take a long time, nasty. Healthy food can be quick, it can be easy, it can be delicious, and it can nourish your body. So I want to show you guys a delicious Instant Pot soup recipe that is full of flavor. We are definitely going to be eating our colors today. This dish is full of delicious raw veggie toppings, but it's still a warm, fulfilling meal that you can make any day of the week in under 20 minutes. If you're looking for more Instant Pot recipes, definitely check out my playlist, Instant Pot recipes. I have vegan options, I have carnivore options, whatever you're looking for a quick, easy, healthy weeknight meal. So you guys know the deal. Like and subscribe, and let's make some Thai curry soup. Like I said, this dish has a lot of raw veggies for toppings, so I'm just gonna get everything sliced up. On the plate, I have some fresh cilantro and some peeled ginger and a couple cloves of garlic that I'm gonna use in the soup. I cut the tops off my peppers just because I'm conditioned to wanna make the little batons look super nice. You definitely can leave your tops on. I did save mine. I'm gonna use them for salad later. I just wanted pretty little sticks. Just slicing these. This dish is great because you can change the toppings up to your liking. If you want to use shredded carrots or maybe some shredded purple cabbage, those are great options as well. I'm going to use about half a lime juice in the soup, and then I'm going to cut some into wedges to use for garnish. Look at all those beautiful veggies. Now I'm using tofu. It's extra firm. I drained the water out of it, and I'm just going to cut it into some bite-sized pieces. I love tofu because they act as little sponges in the soup, just absorbing all the flavor of the red curry broth. You don't have to use tofu if you don't want. This dish is great without it. I'm going to start with an oiled Instant Pot on sauté mode, and I'm just going to grate about a tablespoon of fresh ginger right into the pot. And I'm going to add a few cloves of fresh garlic, and I'm just going to sauté this for about 45 seconds. Now I'm going to add half of my scallions and just combine them, and our red curry paste. And now deglaze with some low sodium vegetable stock. We're going to add a little soy sauce for salty flavor. Squeeze that half a lime in there. And stir to combine. Now I'm going to add my little spongy tofus. Now I'm going to cook this on manual for 4 minutes. Once it's done, go ahead and release the steam for about 5 minutes. Be careful, it's hot. Now we're going to add our light coconut milk. Coconut milk has a lot of fat, so I'm using the light version. You can use the full fat if you like. Steam it! Just stir to combine. I like to keep my Instant Pot on the keep warm setting while I continue to season. We're going to add a little turmeric, good for your joints, some white pepper, and just stir to combine. I'm using zoodles. You can definitely use rice noodles, that's more traditional, but I was like, why not? Zoodles are fun. And we're gonna let the broth cook the zoodles in the bowl. Now you just top with your favorite toppings. Look how warm and colorful and beautiful and easy and spicy and delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I enjoyed eating it, and I'll see you next week.